Hello friends, welcome back. And right now what you're seeing is called Amaranthus. It is also called Amaranth in Hindi. And this plant is a wonderful plant in terms of in case you want to cultivate it for display or you want to use it for food. This is an excellent plant, and the red color or the purplish tinge which it usually has is due to the chemical compound betanin. It is the red color which is also used as a natural food dye, and I cultivated this plant. In fact, I sowed the seeds about probably a year ago, and it took some time to grow, and it grew on its own. Like usually it rained frequently in the rainy season, probably that's what triggered the growth. I saw that it grew, and after that I transplanted this Amaranthus into the pot, and you can see that it has a red colored or very bright purplish red colored stem, and also the flowers over there, which you can see along with the leaves are looking beautiful. And it has a kind of a curved shape. Right now I might probably transplant it into another pot, because this pot looks like it is not that much for this plant. It may probably outgrow itself. Looking at the leaves of this amaranth plant, now let me try and focus on the leaves here. Alright, so the leaves that you see for the amaranth, those are basically like they have this purple red baseline, which is the central line which it has, and it has green leaves, but the purple red baseline, and also sometimes you can see along the border there's a purple tinge along the border of the leaves. So that makes it spectacular in terms of the looks and all. Of course, this plant is it is told that this plant was brought into cultivation about 8,000 years ago, and many civilizations, the old civilizations, the Incas, they used this plant for food and medicine. Now this plant happens to be highly nutritious, and it has a high manganese content, in fact very high content, so try to use it in moderation. So the manganese amount being high, that is important for brain function and the neurological issues, if any. Those manganese helps a lot with that, and studies have shown that this can also combat allergic inflammation in particular. There's been study about that, and that's really good, but more studies are probably needed to understand the mechanics behind it. But ideally, I mean, this plant is used for food. The Amaranthus is of different kinds. There are many different species. This is one of the species of Amaranthus. Not exactly, I'm not able to locate the particular kind of the genotype of this species, but yeah, this plant is really good in case you want to cultivate it. And as I said, looking spectacular. Now this survived the bugs and all tried to attack it, and that's why you might see some damage on the leaves, some holes over there. But today being 31st of October 2022, the thing is, this plant is it looks beautiful, and that's the reason why it's a very good addition to your arsenal, I might say, in case you want to grow it indoors. Probably it's the best thing if you grow it indoors, but usually it requires a much bigger space because it tends to outgrow itself. And just look at the thickness of the stem. Thickness is really very good, and That probably is a bit disturbing because the pot is a bit small. But anyway, I will try to see if it can be transplanted. So that's about it, friends, and hope you enjoyed the video. And please like, share, subscribe, and for more videos just keep a tab on my channel on YouTube. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye now.